Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at these wireless microphones. I think these are going to be great for your church, for your weddings, conferences, karaoke night, anything that you need a microphone for. All right, guys, let me show you exactly what comes in the box. Let's get right to it. First thing we're going to be greeted with, as you guys can see here, is our starter manual. Now, this is going to walk you through all of the different setups, how to use the different devices, what needs batteries, where there are adapters, what each and every one of the buttons do. This is really, really a little bit of information that you might want to, take a look at before getting started. But I'm gonna try to walk you guys through it. All right. So what else we get in the box? All right, so also in our box, guys, you're going to get your USB cable. This is a USB-C to USB-A. That is for charging the receiver. So here's your receiver. This is what you're going to plug into your speaker or audio interface. I'll be using this with an audio interface. As you guys can see, we do have a standard input here for your TRS going into audio interface, but it also comes with an adapter. So if you wanted to connect this, say for instance, to something that uses a 3.5, you can use it as well. So that comes with it. It also comes with a battery. Now this is a rechargeable battery and it only works with this one. Now the microphones themselves will also need batteries, but to set this up, you're basically just going to pop your battery in like so, and you'll be able to turn on your receiver. Just put your little cover back on, make sure it's secure, and you'll be able to power on your receiver just like that. So this is pretty much ready to go. We can just plug this into my audio interface. The audio interface we're going to be using today is the Rodecaster Pro 2. All right, so what else do we get in our box? You're going to get two microphones. Check these out, guys. Very high quality microphones. All of your controls are going to be right along here on the front. This does require two batteries, as I mentioned before. To open this little case, you're just going to unscrew this little ring here, and you'll be able to open this little tab, and you're going to drop your batteries in right here. Two AA batteries are required for this to work, so you're going to need those. Those are not included with it. Now, this is a very high quality microphone, guys. I have used a ton of microphones, as you will see when we go over to the studio area, but I'm going to connect this to it. Now, what we have here button-wise, we have an echo, we have treble, we have bass, we have a volume control, and we have some sets. I think set is for like some special effects or things like that. You got a power button here to turn it on and off, which is really nice. And another thing that I like about this system, guys, it comes with these little rings, these little table rings. And what you do with these is you just kind of pop these on like this and push it on. And what this allows you to do is to set the microphone down on a table. And this is going to prevent people from just dropping them hard onto a table and breaking the microphone every time they set one of these down, because people like to do those mic drops. That's going to prevent any damage to your microphone, which is really handy. All right, so let's go over to the studio, guys, and connect the microphone, and let me demonstrate what this sounds like to you guys. All right, let's go. All right, guys, you can see I have it now connected to the Rodecaster Pro. So I'm going to do a little audio demo for you guys so you guys can see what this sounds like. All right, guys, we're back over in the studio space. So normally the microphone that I would be using is this Rode Procaster when I'm doing podcasts or live streaming or anything like that. But today we're going to test this microphone out. So I'm going to switch from this microphone here to this microphone so you guys can hear the difference. All right, so let me go ahead and switch that over. All right, guys, so now what you're listening to is this microphone right here. So hopefully the audio sounds good. And as I mentioned before, this is going to be an excellent microphone for spoken word, for poetry, for karaoke, or any other type of applications where you would need a microphone. And you have the flexibility of being able to walk around with this microphone without having to worry about being in a near proximity of like a microphone like this. So I think this, for a lot of people, is going to really, really come in handy. Definitely check it out. So hopefully, if you guys are looking for a wireless microphone for your wedding events, your churches, or anything like that, this could be a great contender. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. So until then, stay safe. Peace. I am out.